Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add a weather widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, we go back to the main settings page and then scroll down and tap on wallpaper. Next, you want to tap on the left image to customize your wallpaper. Now at the bottom here, tap on add widgets, or simply just tap on the widget panel. If you already have another widget here, you may need to remove it before you can add in newer widgets or more widgets. Now if we scroll down, now at the top here there are some weather widgets already, but if you scroll down and tap on weather, in here, there are a number of different weather widgets that you could use. You got temperature, conditions, UV index, sunrise and sunset, moon, precipitation, wind, air quality. Now I'm going to scroll all the way back to the front and I'm going to tap on the temperature widget to add it to the widget panel. And over here, if you swipe across, you can add in the conditions widget to the panel as well. And we have one more space left. So if I tap on that and then go down and tap on widget. So we have one more space left for one more widget. So in here you can add in sunrise and sunset. And then tap on the close button. And then tap on the close button to close the add widgets screen. Next, tap on the done button to save the changes. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now if I press the side button and go to the lock screen, in here you can see we have the temperature, the conditions, and the precipitation widgets on the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.